On Sunday the 3rd and the 24th of August, there's not going to be any 5 p.m. services here at church. That's because after the morning services on those days, we're going to be having a lovely picnic together in 2 locations. We're going to have the first one on the 3rd here at Hickman Park, and the one on the 24th is going to be at Baggeridge Park. So make sure you come along to the morning services and then join us for those picnics on those days. So make a note, there's no 5 p.m. services on those days because we'll be having a picnic instead, and hopefully the sun will still be there. So join us for that. The Devoted Women's Conference early bird tickets are only here until the end of this month, until the end of July. So make sure that you get yours to get that little extra discount. The Devoted Conference is happening on the 4th of October, but the end of this month is the deadline for the early bird tickets. So don't miss out and get yours today.
I'm back again, never give up, keep my head up, never back down, never look back, I'm back.
Young adults, this one is for you. On Saturday the 2nd of August, we have got our young adult summer barbecue. Yes, with all the meat like this. So you don't want to miss out. If you're aged 18 to 30 and you're looking for community with like-minded people, come along. You'll meet these guys there as well. They're a lot of fun. But it's going to be a great time together, fellowshipping with food and also a late night movie night, so don't miss out. You can book on to this event and sign up via Church Suite. No sign up, no entry. So make sure you sign up and we'll see you there on Saturday the 2nd of August.
But I'm a child of a king who delights in saving. He pulled me back from the brink, now I'm endless
Just to let you know that all our midweek activities are taking a little break over the summer holidays. That includes Kids in Youth Club and also Welcome Brew. So just make a note of that for the summer holidays, but we'll soon be back in September.
I'm not afraid to live. I'm a warrior, I'm victorious, only know how to win, I'm back again.
Kids, listen in for this one, because guess what's coming soon? The big garden party. This year's summer club is happening on the 29th of July to the 1st of August. So make sure your parents have got you booked in to have some fun with singing, dancing, games, crafts, making things, taking things, all of it. You don't want to miss out. So make sure you get booked in for that over the summer holidays.
Here, taking every chance I can. I'm feeling strong, no, I'm not afraid to live.
So that's all for XL News, but don't forget this Wednesday is released, so make sure you come along Wednesday night at 7:30 for that. Have a great week, guys.